Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's shailah.leshe. Today is Tutorial Tuesday, so I'm going to show you how I got this super cute, long, extra long braid. It's so cute. This has been a super poppin' style on Instagram lately, so I thought I'd just recreate the look. Simple, it's classy, it's elegant. It looks really good with anything that you wear, honestly. Kim K has worn a skinny long braid before. A lot of Instagram models have worn this braid, so I just wanted to recreate the look. If you want to check out how I got this look, continue watching. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I got this super cute braid using this Rasta-free Rapunzel hair. It's 84 inches, so super long. This is what I'm going to use to create that extra long braid. Okay, so I'm just going to part my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to use this extreme wet line gel to just put all over my hair. I like to use this gel first just to lay down my hair as much as possible. So I'm just going to brush this down really well, and then I'm just going to take the Lock and Twist Pure Lock and Twist gel and add that on top. If you watch my videos, you know I like to do this because the extreme wet line gel is really wet, so I like to just put the Pure Lock and Twist gel on top to secure it even more and lay it down super flat like you can see here. This gel is just a little thicker and heavier, so it just lays it down even more. So I like to put this on top of the extreme wet line gel. So now I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail. I am doing a low ponytail for this look. And now I'm going to take the Got To Be glue spray and just spray that all over my hair. And then I'm going to brush that in really well. And then I'm going to take the Rasta-free Rapunzel 84-inch hair, and I'm just going to add that to my ponytail. Now I'm just going to section off my hair into 3 pieces, and I'm going to take the Pure Lock and Twist gel and just saturate my hair in the gel really good so it can be nice and stiff. I just like doing this because it's easier when you braid it into the hair for the hair to have a lot of product on it. So now I'm just going to take a piece of hair and leave it out. That's going to be the piece that I use at the end when I am securing the hair around the ponytail. So now I'm just going to take those 3 sections and braid it into the braiding hair into a nice long braid. You want to make sure that the hair doesn't tangle, so I like to take the paddle brush and just comb through the hair as I braid it down, just to make it a little easier so the hair won't get all matted and tangled up. So now I'm just going to secure the end with a rubber band and cut that little stray piece off, and there you have it, a super long braid. And now I'm just going to take the Got To Be glue and wrap that piece of hair that I left out around my ponytail just to hide my ponytail and make the braid look a little more sleek and classy. I'm just going to secure that with a bobby pin. Now you see I have a nice long, extra long braid. And now I'm just going to do my baby hairs. I like to do my baby hairs just to add a little edge to the look. And I'm using my extreme wet line gel to lay down my baby hairs. This gel just works perfect with my hair texture, so I love using it to lay down my baby hairs. Now I'm just going to secure that with a scarf. Next, I'm going to take a piece of a track and use a needle and thread to add to the end of my braid. So I'm just going to take a rubber band and tie the end of the track to the braid. And then I'm just going to wrap the track around the end of the braid until I can't wrap anymore. You don't have to add hair to the end of the braid. I just think it makes the braid a little more creative and adds texture. And then I'm just going to take a needle and thread so I can secure the track to the braid. And I'm going to tie a knot on the end of the thread to secure it. And I'm going to let you know I did not have black thread for this braid, so please use black thread. Do not be like me and use this white thread, because you don't want to be able to see the thread on the braid. It's supposed to be invisible, so you want to use black so it just blends in with the hair. So please use black thread. So now you can see that I'm just creating loops around the track to secure the track around the braid so it won't slip and fall, because we did wrap the track around the braid. So we want to just secure that track to the braid just like this using the thread. Now I'm just going to take my scissors to cut the little flyaways that are sticking out of my braid off, just to make my braid a little more neat and slick. And there you have it. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Please like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. We are at 200 followers still, so let's get me to 300. Definitely comment down below if you like this video. If you recreate this look, definitely tag me on Instagram at shailah.leshe. I would love to see your looks that you recreated. But yeah, I really love this look and I hope you guys did too. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.